Hello, today we will introduce to you Air Channel Hybrid Control, function of HT-6A remote control, and HOTRC channel mix control function. Description of mix control. Function for air channels, mix control of one channel and two channels, also commonly known as delta wing. Hybrid control for aircraft models. Align the code before operation. Next, we will use two servo motors to demonstrate without using hybrid control. What is the reaction of storing CH1, CH2? First, let's plug in the first and second channels. First, let's take a look at the first channel. Only one channel of the servo is in operation. Push the second channel. Only the second channel is moving. Then let's take a look at the effect of opening the hybrid control again. Long press the hybrid control setting button on the panel. This is the hybrid control setting key. You can switch to mix control mode. The display screen shows indicates that the first and second mix control modes are enabled. Next, let's demonstrate the effect of turning on hybrid control. How do the two servo motors rotate? First, let's move a channel. Two servo motors rotate in opposite directions. Move the second channel. Two servo motors rotate in the same direction. Next, let's take a look at the 2 and 4 channel hybrid control function, HOTRC channel mix control function. It is also commonly known as the check-tail hybrid control in aircraft models. Long press the mix control setting button to switch. The display icon shows indicates that the mix control of channels HOTRC is enabled. Next, let's take a look at how the mixing control of channels HOTRC rotates.